Hey everyone, it's Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group. I'm here today at Oxmoor Hyundai. I have DeAndre here with me. DeAndre is going to go over a couple features on the 2019. This is the Hyundai Tucson. It's the Value Edition and it is all-wheel drive. So DeAndre, if you'd like to tell everybody a little bit about this vehicle, we would love that.
Okay, first of all, it is the 2019 Value Edition Tucson. Totally redesigned in the front. You have the honeycomb grille on here. Also, if you notice, you have the stretched, or as I like to call it, the elongated headlight lens. Now you have dynamic bending lights. Basically what that means is, as you turn the steering wheel, these lights, these lenses are actually going to turn as you turn your steering wheel. So what it does is it allows for better visibility, especially at night. And of course it's LED lighting, which is always good to give you that extra bright visibility as you're driving. Now, this vehicle is also a very safe vehicle. What you have in this vehicle, of course, is you have what's known as your blind spot detection. Okay, it lights up on your mirror as an indicator if there's someone in your blind spot. I'm going to get in the vehicle now. Now, this vehicle also has a full functional touch screen. It's a 7-inch touch screen. You have two front seats that are actually heated up front. You have a 8-way powered driver's seat. That's going to give you the mobility and the option to actually go up or down, and this gives you more options to get comfortable and set your seat the way you need it when you're driving. This fully functional touchscreen, if we go to setup, also it's going to display the different icons. You can actually scroll and it gives you different options for different icons. Again, it's a very safe vehicle. What you have is a 5-star safety rating on this vehicle. You can't beat Hyundai when it comes to safety. They are definitely one of the leaders.
All right, thank you so much, DeAndre. Now, you guys, if you have any questions on this vehicle, please feel free to let us know. The best phone number you can reach us on is 502-894-3400. You can also visit our website. It's oxmoorhyundai.com. And I will have a link to this vehicle that DeAndre just went over. It'll have all the details and the pricing in there as well. So thanks, you guys. We'll see y'all soon. Bye.